Hello everyone, welcome to the mathematics classes by AK Mishra Education for better tomorrow. And I hope guys you all are good and you are staying home and stay healthy guys. And if you want to protect your family, your community, so please stay at home, stay home and stay healthy. And if you want to beat the COVID-19 pandemic, global pandemic guys, so please stay home. And we are giving you all the classes live, right, free of cost guys. And if you are preparing for the IIT JEE Mains Plus Advanced, so this channel is very beneficial for you guys. And if you are preparing for the, and if you are belongs to the 9th to 12th mathematics students, and if you are belong to the 9th 10th science, so bilkul of course you can join this session and you can subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming session guys, right. And we our team is working on the never stop study, right. Okay, so this is presented by me Ashish sir, and you can follow me on an Academy Plus platform also guys. And so guys, what is guys, so now guys I am going to start this session, and I am going to start the question guys. So the first question is, in the matrix A is equal to, we are having the matrix, this matrix, and we have to find out the answer of the given question, the order of this matrix. So we know that order equal to, we know that order is equal to number of rows into number of column. Okay, are you getting? So number of rows equal to, you can say that what is the row? So the horizontal line is called as the row. So these all lines you can say that row. Okay, so you can say the how many rows guys. So you can say it is here the 3 rows, and the vertical line that is called the column. So how many column? You can say 4 column guys. So this line is also considered the column, right. So horizontal line that is called the row, and vertical line that is called the column guys. So you can say that we know that order equal to number of rows into number of columns. So it will be 3 into 4 guys, right. So how many number of rows? 3 rows, and the number of column is 4 guys, right. So this is the very simple for you guys, all of you, if you are preparing for the any type of the examination. So this is the very important for you. Okay, so guys, are you getting? So order, first question answer is this 3 cross 4. Okay, right now. And the second question is number of elements. So how you can find out the number of elements? So number of elements, by multiplying the order you will get the number of elements. This is the very simple. So without multiplication it is the order, and after multiplication we will get the value number of element. Okay, so the what is the order? 3 cross 3 into 4 guys. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, number of elements is equal to, we can write here 3 into 4 equal to, it will be the 12. So 12 will be the correct answer for this question. And write the element A13, right. So third question solution guys, third question solution, you can say that, what you can say that guys, we have to find out the A13. Okay, so A13, it means what guys, we can definitely say that A13 means first denotes about the what guys, a small letter is always denotes the elements, right. So by observing the letters we can say that we have to find out the elements guys, and first number give us the information about the rows. So it is here is 1 available, so we can say that the element, we have to take the element of first rows, right. And another tell us about the column guys. So we can say that first row and third column. So first row and third column, this is the first column, this is the second column, third column. So first row and third column, it is the common. So you can say that answer will be 19, right? Similarly, what you can write here, A21. So A21 will be what you can write here, A21 is equal to second row, okay. So second row is this, first row, second row and third row. So second row and first column, so you can take the element is equal to 35, okay. So answer will be 35, guys, okay. Are you getting? And 33, A33 means third row, third column, third row, third column. So third row and third column, so it will be the common, so -5, it will be the correct answer, guys, right? And second row, fourth column, second row, fourth column, so second row and fourth column, because this is the fourth column, so you can say that this is the -12, it is the +12, guys, okay. And last is the A23, right? Second row, third column, second row, third column, answer will be what, guys? 55/2. So I hope you are getting very well. If you are having any problem, so write yes, so write the doubts in the comment section, guys, and you can join us on the all the social media, and the description is given, link is given in the description box, so you can join through the description, right? Okay. Another question is, now I am going to solve all this second question. Second question is, if a matrix has a 24 elements, what is the question? If a matrix has a 24 elements, okay, guys, all right, okay, okay. So question is saying that if a matrix has a 24 element, what are the possible order of it can have, and what if it has the 13 elements? So this is a very simple, guys. We know that, what we know that, okay. So as I have discussed earlier, so number of element equal to, we can write here what, guys? Number of element equal to row into column, means number of row into column, you can write here row into column, guys, right? So the products is equal to the 24, because we know that it is equal to the 24, so we can take row into column, and we know that it is also equal to the order of the matrix. Are you getting what I am saying, guys? If you are getting, so please write yes in the chat box and share it to everyone, guys, because many student can take the benefit of this class free of cost in this pandemic, guys, right? So please share it to everyone, okay, guys. So now what we can say that we can say that now we can take the 2 factor and of the 24, all the possible factor of 24. So we can write here the order will be what, guys? We can write here the 1 into 24, right? First order, because after multiplying we will get it may be first one row and 24 column, other second possible order. So now I am going to write the possible order is equal to 1 into 24, another is 24 into 1, it means 24 rows and 1 column, because we know that always in first row number of rows is available, and after the number of rows we are having what, guys? Number of column. So first we can take the order of the possible order 1 into 24 and 24 into 1, right? Another is what we can write here, 2 into 12 and 12 into 2, right? Next 3 into 8, 8 into 3, next 4 into 6 and 6 into 4, okay, guys, 6 into 4. So these all the possible order of the what, guys? Matrix contain the 24 elements, right? So you can say that all These all are the answer of this question. And what if it has the elements? So element 13 element. So 13 has the only the 13 is the prime number, guys. So this is the very simple. So you can say take the only 2 order, because it is not a composite number. So it has only one factor, it has only 2 factor including 1, guys. So you can take the possible order is equal to what we can write here, 1 into 13, otherwise you can take the 13 into 1, right? Are you getting? If you are getting, so please write yes in the chat box. Okay, so another question is the same type as the 2, guys, right? If a matrix has a 18 element, and what are the possible orders it can have, and what if it has 5 element? This is a very simple question, guys, and we know that order equal to order of matrix equal to what we can write here? We can write here order of matrix equal to number of elements, right? So number of elements equal to 18, and now I am going to factorize and convert into the 2 parts, right? Split into the 2 parts the product of the 18, guys. So we can take what possible what we can write here, guys? Possible order will be, this is the very simple, possible order is equal to, you can write 1 into 18, another is 18 into 1, right? Another we can write here 2 into 9, after this we can write here 9 into 2, and after this we can write here the 3 into 6, and another is a 6 into 3. So these all are the answer of the possible order, guys, right? And possible order of the 5 elements, right? So possible order of the 5 elements, we can write here possible order of 5 elements, right? So what we can write here? This is the very simple, guys. You can write here 1 into 5, and another is the 5 into 1. So it will be the correct answer for this question, right? Okay, so now next, construct the 2 cross 2 matrix, and we know that suppose we can take the one matrix A is equal to, and it has 2 row and 2 column. Okay, so 2 rows, because according to the question we have to construct what, 2 cross 2 2 into 2 matrix, it means 2 row and 2 columns. So we know we can write here the first element is A11, second element is A12, third element is A21, and fourth element is A22, right? Okay, now what we can write here? So from by using the all this formula we have to find out the all the elements, right? So first is given Aij, right? So Aij is equal to I plus j whole square, right, by 2. So this is the very simple, guys. So first of all we have to find out the A11, right? So for A11 we know that we can put the values 1 instead of I, and this one instead of j. So 1 plus 1 by 2, this is square. So 1 is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 square, and by 2, and after dividing we will get the value 2, right? Okay, and another case you can take here, guys. What you can take? A12 you can put, so you can write here the 1 plus 2, okay, because here I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2, and 2 square, so we can write here 9 by 2, and A12, and after finding, and we have to find the, we are having the A11 and A12, and next term is A21. So we are going to find out, so 2 plus 1 whole square, okay, because here is I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1 whole square equal to 3 square by 2. So 9 by 2, right? And A3 1, A2 2 guys. So we can write here 2 plus 2 whole square by 2. So 4 square 16 by 2, and after dividing we will get the 8. Okay. So we will get the answer A11 equal to 2, A12 equal to 9 by 2. Okay. Then after, what we can write here? A21 equal to 9 by 2 and A22 equal to 8. So it will be the correct answer for this question, guys, right? Are you getting my points, guys? Now, so similarly you can solve the remaining two questions. So this is the homework for you guys. So you have to solve second and third question at home, guys, right? So now this is the fifth question, right? So fifth question is also same. So in this question we are having the what, guys? We are having the order pair. Order is order of the matrix is 3 into 4, means we are having what, guys? 3 rows. 3 rows means we can write here A11, second A21, and third is the A31. Okay. And now, guys, and the remaining the column will be, guys, 4, because 3 into 4 is given the order of the matrix. So we can write here A21, 1 minute, A12 hoga, right? What we can write here? We can write here the A21. Okay. We can write here the A12. This is the A13, A14. We can write here the A22, A23, and A24, right? And here we can write here A32, A33, and A34, right, guys? Are you getting my points, what I am saying? Now we have to find out the all the elements of the on the basis of first formula, guys, right? So actually I am going to find out the first. Okay, this is the very simple, guys, and you can find out very easily. So Aij is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3i plus j mod. Okay. So now I have to find out the all the elements, means the 12 element of this matrix, and all the name is given. So first element is A11, means the first elements of the matrix of the first row and first column. So A11 is equal to what we can write here, A12, 1 by 2, and mod we can write here, it will be the minus 3i. So we can write here 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, guys, and after multiplying we will get the value minus 3 plus 1, and after adding it will be what, guys? It will be minus 2, right? And when we open this mod, and after removing the mod, what we can write here? What we can write here, guys? Plus, because we know that modulus convert the negative sign into the positive, and it will be 2 into 1 by 2 into 2, and after dividing we will get the value 1. So this value will be 1, and similarly you can find out the all the term A12, A13, A14, right? So this is the very simple question, guys. So A11, and similarly you can find out the A12 also, guys, right? So A12, and you can put the minus 3 into 1 and plus 2, and this is the mod, not the square bracket, guys, right? Because it is important to write the mod, because it play the very important role in the question, right? And 1 by 2, and it will be minus 3 and plus 2, so it will be minus 1 mod, and when we remove the mod, and it will be plus 1. So we can write here 1 by 2. Similarly, you can find out all the remaining terms a13, a14, and second question you can solve it very easily, guys. Now I am going to solve the question number 6, right? I hope you are getting very well. So question number 6 is the find the value of x, y and z from the following question, from the following equation, guys, right? So we know that when two matrix are the equal, when we know that the two cases, guys, order of the matrix are same, order will be same, right? And another thing is that corresponding elements are equal. So what you can write here, y is equal to corresponding elements, you can say this element is equal to this element, so x is equal to 1, you can say that, and this element is equal to this element, so y equal to 4 and z equal to 3. So it will be the correct answer for this question, right? Now I am going to solve this question, guys. So similarly we have to find out corresponding elements, means here the a11 and here the an11, both same term, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding means you can't take this element is equal to this element, this element is equal to this element. Why? Because the place value is the different for both the matrix, but we have to take what, guys? We have to take the same place value, right? Okay. So according to, so after solving we will get the value x is equal to 1, because what is the place value of x1? So we can say that a21, so a21 is equal to x, and here a21 is also is equal to 1. So you can both the matrix are equal. So we know that when the two matrix are equal, order will be same, and the what, guys, the corresponding elements are also equal. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4, because the y and 4 both place value is equal and z is equal to 3, guys, right? And similarly we are going to solve this question. So we are getting the very important information from this question. So x plus y is equal to 6. Another equation, another information we are having, guys, 5 plus z equal to what, guys? This term is equal to this term. So 5 plus z is equal to 5, and x plus x into y equal to, we can write here x into y equal to 8. Okay. So we can write, what we can write? So z equal to, we can write here after solving, z is equal to 0, guys, right? Z will be 5 minus 5, and after solving it will be 0, and we can write here x is equal to what? X is equal to, we can write here the 8 by y, and 8 by y, put in the value of 8 by y in the first equation, guys. This is the second equation. Okay. So x, after putting 8 by y in this equation, we will get the value x is equal to 8 by y, right? So after putting the value x is equal to 8 by y plus y by 6, and after taking the LCM it will be 8 plus y square, 8 plus y square is equal to 6, and after doing the cross multiplication, y square minus 6y, when we send this term into this direction, so it will be y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0, and we can write here the y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0, right? And after taking the common, and it will be y into y minus 4, and we can write here after taking the common minus 2, right? After taking the common minus 2, what we can write here? We can write here minus 2 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. So we are having the another information, guys, what we can write here. So y minus 4 is equal to 0, and another is a y minus 2 is equal to 0, right? Okay. So we can say that we will get the value what? We have got the value what, guys? 4, y equal to 4 and y equal to 2, right? So x is equal to 0, right? So we will get the two value, y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2, and after putting the value of y, when we take the y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 4, right? And when we put the what guys, when we put the y equal to 2 and y equal to 4, so x is equal to 2, right? So answer, you can write this answer, okay guys. So right, so we are having the two answer, x equal to 4 comma 2, y equal to is also 4 comma 2, right, and z is equal to 0, right? So it will be the correct answer for this question. Now this is a very important question guys, so you can solve it very easily. You can write here the three equation from this from the given information, x plus y plus z is equal to 9, x plus z equal to what we can write here, x plus z equal to 5, and another is a y plus z is equal to 7, right? And when we subtract the first equation with the third, right, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third equation guys, and when we subtract the first equation with the third guys, so what we can write here, x plus y plus z is equal to 9, and it will be y plus z, right, is equal to 7, and after subtracting minus minus minus, so cancel cancel, and we can write here the x equal to 2. So one value we will get, and after value putting the value of x equal to 2, we will get x plus z is equal to what, 5. So after putting the value 2 x instead of x, so we can write here 5 minus x, and 5 minus 2 is equal to, we can write here the 3. So 3 will be the value of z guys, and now you can put the value of z in equation third, and after putting the value of z, so y plus 3 is equal to 7, y is equal to what, y is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So you can write here x is equal to what guys, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 5, sorry, z is equal to 3 guys, right, because 3 we have got the answer, okay. So we can write here the 3 will be the correct answer for this question, okay, right. So now I am going to solve this question guys. So two matrices are equal, and according to given information we have to find out the value of a, b, c and d. So we can write here a minus b is equal to minus 1, right, and another is a 2a minus b is equal to what we can write here 0, and another equation is 2a plus c, 2a plus c is equal to 5, and 3c plus d is equal to 13, right. And now you can subtract, and after subtracting you will get the 3a, and it will become minus 1, and after sending this 3 into the another direction, it will get what guys, a is equal to minus 1 by 3. So answer will be minus 1 by 3, okay. And now I am going to put the value of a in instead of in this equation guys. So what we can write here, so a equal to, we can write here the minus 1 by 3 and plus c equal to 5. So what will be guys, what we can write here, minus 2 by 3, and when we send this term minus 2 by 3 into the another direction, so it will be the 5 plus 2 by 3. So after taking the LCM, we can write here the 3 and 15 plus 2, 15 plus 2 equal to 17 by 3. So it will be the correct answer. Now I am going to put the value of 17 by 3 in this equation, so we will get the value of d. So 3 into 17 by 3 and plus d is equal to 13. So after cancelling, we will get the 17 plus d is equal to 13, and d is equal to, we can write here the 13 minus 17, and after subtracting we will get the value minus 4. So we can say that a is equal to this value, right, a is equal to minus 1 by 3, b is equal to, where b is given, actually b I have not find it, okay. 1 minute guys. So actually I am going to find the the value of b. So after putting the a equal to minus 1 by 3 in this equation, so after putting the value of minus 1 by 3 and minus b is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we can write here, what we can write here guys, 1 minute, give me, yes, we can write here when we send the minus 1 by 3 and minus b in this side, so it will become plus b and minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, because I am going to send the minus 1 into this direction. Okay, so after taking the LCM it will be 3 and minus 1 plus 3, so it will be 2 by 3. So we can write here b is equal to 2 by 3. So the b is equal to 2 by 3, a is equal to minus 1 by 3, c is equal to 17 by 3 and d is equal to minus 4, right. So it will be the correct answer for this question, right. So now this is a very simple question guys. Aij m cross n is a matrix if m is less than n and b m is greater than n and m is equal to n and none of these. So we know that when any matrix is a square matrix, when the number of column is equal to the number of rows, so then we can say that, what we can say that guys, it is a square matrix. So you can consider the option C is the correct answer for this question guys, right. So now next question is very simple guys, and you can say that 3x plus 7, right, 3x plus 7 guys, okay, right guys. So we are having the 3x plus 7 is equal to, what we can write here, is equal to 0. Second, we can write here y plus 1 equal to 8, and third we can write here 2 minus 3x is equal to 4, right, because this term is equal to this term, this term is equal to this term, right. Oh, both are equal, okay, and this term is equal to this term. So we can write here guys 3x plus 7, and when we set this 7 into this direction, so it will be minus 7, and x is equal to, what we can write here, the 7 by 3. So x is equal to, we can write here the minus 7 by 3, it will be the answer, right. And what y is equal to, we can write here 8 minus 1 equal to 7. So y equal to 7, we can write here it is the correct answer guys. And now 2 minus 3x equal to 4. So minus 3x is equal to, you can write here 4 minus 2. So x is equal to, you can write here minus, it will be 2 minus 3, right. So in the same matrices, both matrices are equal, and we will get the value, two different value of x, so it is not possible to find, right. So you can say that option B is the correct answer for this question guys, right. So this is the very simple, the number of all the possible matrix of the order 3 into 3 with the each entries of the 0 or 1, right. So this is the very simple guys, and here you have to use the concept of the 11th class of permutation guys, right, because we are having the two entries 0 and 1. So total number of ways to write the entry. So what we can write here guys, how many ways? So 2 ways. Why? Because we can write the 0 or 1, right. So how many total number of ways? 2. And how many total number of places we have to put? So we can put, just like we are having the 3 cross 3 possible matrix, order of the 3 cross 3 guys, we can write, what we can write here guys, so all the elements of this matrix is equal to 0. Otherwise we can take, or we can take what guys, what we can take, we can take 1 0 is available in this term, right, okay, you can take all term is equal to 1 also you can take, Okay guys, you can take next pattern. Next matrix is 1 0 is available in the matrix. So like this you can say that how many possible terms. So by the principal method of multiplication we can say that we are having the choosing the one entries of the element of the matrix is equal to 2, and we are having, and how many time we can choose, how many time for the every entries we are having the two ways, and we are having the how many option, we are having the 7 places, 9 places guys, because order is given is 3 cross 3. So we can take here 0 or 1, we can take here 0 and 1, we can take here 0 and 1. So for the every places we are having how many option, we are having the 2 option, and how many places we have to fill, we have to fill how many places guys, simply you can say that the 9 places. So total number of ways you can say that number of the all possible matrix equal to what you can say that guys, very simple, you can say that the number of all possible matrix equal to 2 to the power 9. Why? Because we are having the 2 ways to write 0 or 1, right, for the one place, and we have to write we have to fill the all places 9. So we can give 2 to the power 9, and we know that 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512. So it will be the correct answer for this question guys, right? So I know, I hope you are getting very well and you can solve all this type of the question guys. So I hope you are new on this channel, and if you like this video, so please like this video and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming session guys. So, and if you are preparing for the IIT JEE mains and advanced, so please join this channel because this is the very beneficial for you, and there are so many the top educator of India will join this platform in future guys. So thank you, have a nice day, see you in the next class. Thank you guys.